Suponic, doing the impossible.
He's a former NBA World Champion basketball player. Played in more consecutive games than any other player in NBA and ABA history. He played for the Los Angeles Lakers, Phoenix Suns, Dallas Mavericks, but his passion today is...
Isn't that sort of apropos for the way the game has gone? AC Green, the man on the offensive board. Shot, man coming off, they could use the majority of the
None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mind can. If you know how inspiring and powerful sports can be, you can inspire the world. They say that a truth will set you free. What does it take to be an Iron Man?
7 in this quarter. Shot clock at 5. Green all the way to the hole. Doesn't get it. Chipped up and in by AC Green.
It takes passion.
Rebounding again. Isn't that sort of
takes
apropos for the way the game has gone? AC Green, the man on the offensive boards. Shot.
But above all, it takes the will to choose.
Take a look at it from a couple
To
of
be
angles.
the
Play
one.
of AC Green. Complete hustle. All right, now watch AC Green underneath the basket. Here he comes. Here comes Otis Thorpe over to help out. And AC Green just muscles Sleepy Floyd right out of the play. Boards. Shot, man coming over.
Fabulous. Absolutely. We'll take it fabulous. Absolutely.